I'm Ron Baraff, Director of Historic Resources and Facilities for the Rivers of Steel. We're at the Carrie Furnaces National Historic Landmark here in Swissvale and Rankin. With two furnaces that are still here, which operated from 1907 to 1978, are National Historic Landmarks that stand as a testament not just to what man can do, but what industry can do. These furnaces helped build this region, this country, and the world. What happened here changed America's 20th century dramatically. Places like this would eat you up and spit you out. They were rough, they were hard, they had a massive impact on you physically. But what it allowed for was an incredible growth in this region, a culture that exists to this day that has created what is known as the Pittsburgh spirit. As you move through this site on a tour, you'll see the technology from 1907 mixed in with artwork from 2020. You'll see this juxtaposition, the old and the new, the historic and the modern. That's what makes this place unique. That's what makes this region unique, that we're able to mix those facets, that we can look at our past and understand who we are and who we were, but also understand where we are now. That's what we hope to accomplish.